Why do I love the Vortex screw? There are a lot of reasons. I'm going to talk about the top 6 today, and stick around for number 6 because it's the latest and greatest. Number 1, ASC, angled screw channel. If the implants aren't in a perfect position, or the MUAs, then we have the ability to channel that screw in a different direction. To put you in the middle of a fossa, in a cingulum, we can make it ideal so that your restoration has good screw access and it doesn't compromise the restoration. Number 2, long threads. As you know, threads have different length between different systems than that little prosthetic screw. The longer the thread, the better the product. And that is because you need the threads to engage the multi-unit abutment. So with this system, depending on where you raise and lower it in the channel, you will get threads engaged every single time. The modified wedge, number 3. Some screws have a wedge, some screws have a right angle. This has a modified wedge. So when you are screwing it down into the prosthesis, it disperses the pressure. A little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here. I think that's a good thing for engineering's sake, the wedge. Number 4, the friction fit of the screw and the driver. So when you are in surgery or doing a restoration and you have a screw in a mouth, you're upside down, you're right side up, that screw does not come off. The screw is friction fit to the driver. So you can shake it, you can even drop it, and it's not going to go in the mouth, it's not going to go on the floor. That is a great thing for the driver and the screw. Number 5, a little more technical, but we have the ability to raise and lower that screw in the channel depending on the restoration. So if you are on inside of zirconia, or if you're on copings, or if you're in resin, or something in the middle, then you can raise and lower that screw digitally to set you up for the most strength and most material that you need underneath the screw head on any type of restoration. Number 6. The latest and greatest in the Vortex system, the reaming tool. This is a unique tool. When you are done printing, cleaning, curing, you want to make sure that all the material is removed from down inside that channel right at the screw seat. That is a critical part of dropping the screw in, making sure it's engaged so you know when you get a firm, tightened finish to turning the screw, and so that you have all the threads exposed that go under MUA. So this reaming tool, it's very simple. You just add it to the little nub that comes with the system and you drop it down in the hole, medium pressure, 3 turns, the material loosens up. You simply air it out or use water and it cleans out the entire screw shaft so you get a great positive seat. The reaming tool. There's a lot of screws on the market. We support them all, but little hats off to the ingenuity of the Vortex developer, Dr. Danny Domingue. It's a great screw, it has a bunch of benefits. That's where I give my thumbs up.